Okay, how to change a bulb on the Ford Kuga. Okay, inside you'll find that you should see a white connector like this, or grey. It's a matter of just slightly twisting it, and then it slips out, and there's the bulb, which just pulls out. And as I can see, this bulb is slightly blackened, so to replace it, it's a matter of just replacing that bulb. So if you go to like a car parts place or warehousey car parts place that deals with trade, you can get these dirt cheap. So you get that, put that, slot it in. Right, when it goes in, it does click. I tried the old one, it clicks. This one doesn't seem to want to click, but it feels tight. Give it a little wipe. Get the fingerprints off, and then slot that back in place.